Hi friends, welcome to Basic Chinese lesson 66. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 订婚、蜜月、嫁给我爸、娶我爸、遗憾、忘记、记得、承诺。And if you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 65 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have 跑、跑、跑、作业、作业、作业。The meaning of 跑 is run, and the meaning of 作业 is homework. So 跑 is run, 作业 is homework. Once again, 跑 is run, 作业 is homework. Let's read together, guys. 跑，跑，跑，作业，作业，作业。The next slide, we have 开灯，开灯，开灯 and 关灯，关灯，关灯。The meaning of 开灯 is to turn on the lights, and in contrast, the meaning of 关灯 is to turn off the lights. So 开灯 is to turn on the lights, and 关灯 is to turn off the lights. Once again, guys, 开灯 is to turn on the lights, 关灯 is to turn off the lights. Let's read together. 开灯，开灯，开灯，关灯，关灯，关灯。Another vocabs here. We have 醒来，醒来，醒来。打扫，打扫，打扫。The meaning of 醒来 is wake up, and the meaning of 打扫 is to sweep. So 醒来 is wake up, and 打扫 is to sweep. Once again, 醒来 is wake up, 打扫 is to sweep. Let's read together. 醒来，醒来，醒来。打扫，打扫，打扫。We also have another two vocabs here. 祈祷，祈祷，祈祷。回家，回家，回家。The meaning of 祈祷 is pray, and the meaning of 回家 is go home. So 祈祷 is pray, 回家 is go home. Once again, 祈祷 is pray, 回家 is go home. Let's read together. 祈祷，祈祷，祈祷。回家，回家，回家。And that's all guys for today's lesson. Thanks a lot. I will see you guys again on our next lesson. Bye.